Good morning traders and welcome to the daily call today, Wednesday the 28th of June. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let us have a look at what's happened overnight. Now, we had a very active session. The euro surged overnight to its highest levels in the last 9 months after Mr. Draghi surprised the markets, who I guess were expecting another dovish speech, but instead he signalled that stimulus tapering may be closer than anticipated. As a result, the euro shot up around about 160 pips against the US and is currently sitting at 113.40. In the UK, we had the Bank of England is basically come out and said they're preparing themselves for the worst when it comes to Brexit. Mr. Carney said that the central bank is putting contingencies in place for possibilities that Britain drops out of the European Union without any deals at all in just under 2 years' time. The GBPUSD took the news positively, rose around about 130 pips, and that's where it currently sits at the moment. In the US, we had the consumer confidence number coming at 118.9, slightly better than expected. The major focus was, of course, Miss Yellen's speech, and Miss Yellen simply said, we've made it clear that rates will rise very gradually, and it appears that a gradual rate hike is well anticipated by the markets, and it hasn't really given the US dollar too much strength. It had a mixed day against the GBP. It lost ground. The euro as well did a little bit better against the commodity currencies. Okay, that's what's happened. It is time now to have a look at our chart of the day. Now, incidentally, yesterday's chart of the day did not trigger, and that's one of the benefits of trading price action. That was that Kiwi dollar chart. Today's chart is the GBPCHF. It's on a 4-hour time frame. You can see that I found for us a really nice converging triangle. Now, there's a couple of ways that we can trade this. You can trade the breakout of the triangle. There's many breakout traders out there, so if you're looking for that, you'll be looking for a really strong bullish or bearish candle to break out. That will be your trigger. But if you're trying to trade inside, which is what I'm trying to do, I'm waiting for price action inside candle to complete. Now, the current candle has still not completed, so I need to wait for that one to finish. It should finish in about an hour or so we are very close. But when it does, should it do so at these current levels, it would mean that my stop distance is still smaller than my target distance, and there's enough room in there to be able to take the trade. So that's something that you always have to consider. That's just highlighting it for you, but of course just remember, wait for the current candle to complete. If it is an inside candle, then we have the setup that we are looking for. There you have it. That's our chart of the day, GBPCHF on a 4-hour time frame. Okay, it is now time to look at what is coming up ahead, and we have quite a bit of news. It's all happening at 11:30 tonight from Canada. We have Governor Polotz speaking. In Europe, Mr. Draghi will be at it again. From the UK, Mr. Carney will be speaking, and also from Japan, Mr. Kuruda will be speaking. So it appears that all the central bankers have come to the forefront. It's 11:30. Markets will be moving, so just keep an eye out on that one. Guys, as always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, have a fantastic trading day. I'll speak to you tomorrow for the daily call. Bye for now.